Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Dragon Age the Veilguard game on your PC. Guys, first open up your browser and just search for the Steam website. Once you search for it, simply open it. Now here you'll see the login option on the right hand top, so just click on this login option. Now here simply sign into your account, guys. If you don't have an account, then you need to create account on Steam. Scroll down, then just click on the option of create an account, then just create account on Steam. Guys, once you create the account, then click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. Now simply download the Steam and install it on your PC, guys. This is very simple and easy. So once you download and install the Steam, simply open it, then log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type the game, which is Dragon Age the Veilguard. Guys, once you type this game name, now this game appears on the top, which is the Dragon Age. Now simply open up this Dragon Age game. Now here just scroll down and you will see the option of add to cart. So just scroll down and just click on the option of add to cart. You can purchase different version of this game. So once you click on that, then click on the option of be my cart. Guys, once you click on that, now click on the option of continue to payment. Now here simply pay with the PayPal or any other card you have. So once you pay the amount, now game was added to your Steam library. Just go to the library of your Steam and on the left hand side just find the Dragon Age the Veilguard game. Then click on that, click on the install, and this is how you can download and install this game. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.